Hello, Michelle Markle, Technical Assistance Provider, YTP for Multnomah, Clackamas, Hood River, and North Wasco counties. Thank you again for coming back for the third of three mini videos about reports, the reports feature in our new YTP database. Reports. We've already gone through the school summary, the school detail. Now we're going to go through the site summary report. So you choose your site, get the summary, and a lot of this is going to look really familiar to the information that you've seen on the other reports. But what this does is it takes all of your school's information and puts it into one summary report for an entire district, an entire ESD, an entire site. And that's why it's called the site summary. So again, it reminds us what biennium we're looking at and what our benchmarks are. And then it brings us to totals overview. What's included in these purple lavender boxes is the same information that was covered in the site summary report, but it was just in one big graphic. However, that was just your site in the farthest left, or just your school in the farthest left, site in the middle, and then state on the right. And what this does is it takes school, site, and state and stacks it this way. Again, what you're seeing is on the left of the tilde, information from previous biennia, and on the right of the tilde is your current biennia. And it is those same categories. So your contracted student base, total applications, VR eligible, IPE, exited YTP, engaged at exit, engaged at 6 months, engaged at 12 months, closed rehab, closed other, and then high school completion at exit. Now, if you had 5 schools, 10 schools, they would all be listed right here above the site total. So this information would expand and get a lot bigger. Again, these look really similar to what we looked at before. We have our previous biennia information and our current biennia information. But again, what this does is it takes the averages of all of your schools in one site and puts it in one snapshot. And it does that the same way for our demographic data. So whoever is looking at this is looking at the numbers and the percentages of the site total, your whole district, your whole ESD, not just one school like the other reports. So who would use this kind of report? This snapshot is a higher level view. It's a good summary to share with your district administrators, with your superintendent, with your school board if you're celebrating all the wonderful things that YTP does. It is something that most likely when we're meeting with you as TAPs at your site, we probably won't look at this too often together, but it is really helpful for people that just want a quick overview, and we can show you how to use that when we train together on the site. Thank you.